The 3 biggest issues of all credit repair companies that Credit Money resolves. Issue number 1, client onboarding. Saving time should be your priority. The client portals in Credit Money Machine come with a self-onboarding system that requires zero effort on your part. All the work is done by your client. See how it's done at b20.us/1. Issue number 2, client processing. A professional dispute process is needed to increase your client's scores to the max in the shortest time. Freeze letters for all secondary credit bureaus, 8 to 10. Personal information letters to be sent to the 3 main credit bureaus. All collection validation letters to be sent to collection agencies. All factual discrepancy tables to enforce that all Metro 2 parameters are the same across bureaus. Create all Metro 2 letters. Identify inquiries linked to positive accounts. And of course, assign the dispute reasons and dispute letters to all derogatory items in the credit report. That would take approximately 2 hours with any software. With Credit Money Machine, you can professionally process a client with everything mentioned above in 15 seconds with 1 click. Be amazed! Watch the fast process in this short video at b20.us/2. Issue number 3, getting clients and marketing to prospects and clients. With Credit Money Machine, you can get unlimited clients with ease, thanks to its integrated affiliate lead finder. Affiliates like auto dealers, mortgage brokers, realtors, bankruptcy attorneys, etc. that can refer you prospects. The easiest way to grow your company is getting clients from affiliates. All big companies do that. You can also do marketing with Credit Money Machine since it comes integrated with a marketing platform that includes marketing campaigns, surveys, workflows, virtual funnels, an SMS message system to send and receive integrated with Twilio, an integrated marketing email system to send and receive, and a full-fledged CRM management solution at no extra cost. Watch how it's done in this short video at b20.us/3.